Hello and welcome to the February monthly update for Utilico Emerging Markets. I'm Mark Lebbell, Senior Analyst. February's NAV total return increased by 0.8%, outperforming the MSCI Emerging Markets Total Return Index, which was down by 0.6% in sterling terms. In January, Donald Trump was inaugurated as President of the United States, and in China, a little-known artificial intelligence company, DeepSeek, released a rival to ChatGPT to strong acclaim. The ramifications of both these events dominated market sentiment in February. With many companies also releasing full-year results, it was a month that saw increased share price volatility and a big divergence in performance across regions and sectors. Chinese investors started the year of the snake with renewed enthusiasm for technology stocks and all things AI related. A gathering of tech leaders at a summit chaired by President Xi indicated that the private tech giants are back in political favour. Strong performances from Tencent and Alibaba helped to push up the Hang Seng Index to a gain of 13.4% for the month. The Shanghai Composite Index was up by 2.2%. In contrast, the US markets ended February weaker, with the Nasdaq Composite Index down by 4% and the S&P 500 Index down by 1.4%, as Trump's statements seemed to become increasingly erratic. Europe's markets continued to firm, with the FTSE 100 Index up by 1.6%, and the Euro Stoxx index was up by 3.3% during the month. The MSCI Poland Index continued its positive run, with a further 6.6% gain in February, as the market anticipates a potential ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine. There was a muted response to India's union budget at the beginning of the month, with the Sensex Index down by 5.6% in February, also affected by slowing macroeconomic data. There was a steep fall in the Jakarta Stock Exchange Index, which declined by 11.8% on political uncertainty and question marks arising around the creation of a new sovereign wealth fund. Latin American markets were mixed, with Brazil's Bovespa Index declining by 2.6% and Argentina's Merval Index falling by 14%, reversing the gains recorded in December and January. Despite President Trump's flip-flopping on tariffs, Mexico's Bolsa IPC index did have a positive month, with the index gaining 2.2%, and Colombia's market was strong, with a 5.6% gain in the Colcap index. Sterling strengthened against most currencies, gaining 1.3% against both the US dollar and euro. Sterling was around 3% stronger against the Vietnamese dong, Indonesia rupiah, Thai baht and Turkish lira. Now, if we turn to UEM's portfolio, there were two changes to the top 30 holdings in February. Egyptian Satellites and Athens International Airport replaced Citic Telecom International and Santos Brazil. Portfolio performance was mixed, with just over half of the top 30 stocks gaining in local currency terms during the month. The most notable riser in February was SUNeVision, a leading data center company in Hong Kong. SUNeVision shares re-rated, more than doubling in the month, with investors seeing the company as a beneficiary of increased digital infrastructure spending for AI applications. Strong results and the bullish outlook for management also helped sentiment. In Brazil, Serena Energia was up by 25.6% on rumours of a potential takeover offer. ISA advanced by 11.5%, echoing strong performance of the Colombian market, and Manila Water was up by 10.7% on the back of strong results and a higher than expected increase in its dividends. The most notable decliners were TAV, which was down 10.1%, and FPT, which fell by 8.5%, reflecting general market sentiment in Turkey and Vietnam respectively. UEM reduced its debt by £7.2 million during February, ending the month with borrowings of £17.4 million. UEM's share price increased by 4.7% in February, ending the month at 223p. The discount to NAV decreased from 19.8% to 16.8%, and UEM continued to buy back shares. A quarterly interim dividend of 2.325p per ordinary share was declared and will be paid on the 28th of March to shareholders who are on the register at the 7th of March. For more details, please do read UEM's February fact sheet, which is available on the website at uemtrust.co.uk, and we thank you for your interest in UEM.